Practice like a pro in your own backyard with the Ultra Base Players Series putting green kits. Designed by industry experts for serious golfers, our modular putting greens feature an interlocking base panel system and tour-quality putting and fringe surfaces that can be installed in just a few hours, giving you the professional look and performance with do-it-yourself accessibility. Simply prep your location, lay your panel system in place, and finish by installing the cups and attaching the pre-cut turf and fringe. Available in several shapes and sizes, exclusively from Ultra Base.